ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Dalit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Capacity building training for teachers at Warsay Kaalu School. Monetary support extended to families of martyrs in Nafa subzone. China and Thailand to hold Falcon Strike 2026 joint force exercise in August. And Japan earthquake death toll rises. Proceeding with our reports. A one-month capacity building training program has been provided to teachers of Sawa Warsay Kaalu Secondary School. The theoretical and practical training conducted by lecturers from the College of Education and Language mainly focused on the educational and psychological and its role in the contribution of advancing the teaching and learning process. Highlighting the significance of the training, Dr. Halima Mohammed, Minister of Education, expressed her expectation that the program will make significant contribution to addressing the shortcomings in psychological counseling. Commending the strong interest demonstrated by the trainees during the program, Mr. Rusom Gabrihuet, Director of Warsay Kaalu Secondary School, said that the research papers presented by the trainees will make a significant contribution to similar training program in the future. According to the Public Relations Office of the Ministry of Education, Warsay Kaalu Secondary School has also organized a training program for teachers focusing on pedagogy, time management, weekly lesson planning, evaluation, and professional ethics. Students of Nafa School of Social Science have extended monetary support to 58 families of martyrs from 11 administrative areas in Nafa subzone. The beneficiaries were identified by their respective administrative areas. Noting that supporting families of martyrs is the responsibility of every citizen and provides spiritual satisfaction, Mr. Yaqub Idris, administrator of the subzone, commended the initiative taken by the students of the Social Service and Social Science. Mr. Johannes Kaleta, director of the school, said that the support conveys a profound message. He noted that since the students began contributing to support the families of martyrs, they have provided approximately 400,000 nakfa. Mr. Johannes said that the students actively participate in voluntary blood donation and community campaigns including environmental sanitation and water and soil conservation activities. The beneficiaries' families are from the administrative areas of Bagla, Abelo, Maret, Laba, Agra, Mau, Bian, and Edlal as the administrative area 0.1 in Nafa town. The Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in Barantu subzone conducted a seminar for religious leaders and village elders focusing on ensuring the rights of children and mothers. At the seminar, Mr. Mikael Gabrasilase, head of the branch office, called for a strengthened role by communities, administrations, and the government institutions in eradicating harmful practices, particularly female genital mutilation and underage marriage, which negatively affect health of women and girls. Mr. Gabriel Tahaste, head of the public health, noted that the Ministry of Health is working with partners towards declaring free of female genital mutilation by 2030. He called for a coordinated effort by all stakeholders to strengthen participation for realizing the initiative. Mr. Gabriel further stated that female genital mutilation and underage marriage are among the major causes of maternal and infant death during childbirth. He urged families and societies to participate actively in efforts to eradicate these practices. It was also underlined that female genital mutilation is prohibited in Eritrea under Proclamation number 158/2007, while underage marriage is prohibited under Article 508 for the Provincial Civil Code. Those who participate in these practices are held accountable under the law. Mr. Sium Gabriel, administrator of the subzone, expressed the readiness of the subzonal administration to play its due role in collaboration with partners in efforts to eradicate harmful practices. Straight ahead is our international news. after a short break. Welcome back. China and Thailand will hold a joint Air Force exercise Falcon Strike 2026 in Thailand in August, a Chinese defense spokesperson announced on Thursday. Jiang Bing, a spokesperson for the Ministry of the National Defense, said that China will send multiple types of aircraft and units to the exercise, including ground-based air defense forces. The two sides will carry out air defenses, humanitarian assistance, and disaster relief exercise, Jiang added. It is the 9th training event of its kind between the two air forces and is aimed at further deepening traditional friendship and practical cooperation between China and Thailand, he said. Now let's report. Japanese Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi said on Thursday that the death toll from the recent powerful earthquake in Kumamoto Prefecture has risen to 30. Speaking at the meeting of the government's Emergency Disaster Management Headquarters, Takaichi said the figure as of 12:30 local time included people whose deaths are still under investigation to determine whether they are directly related to the 7.1 magnitude tremor. The earthquake, the magnitude of 7.1, struck Kumamoto Prefecture at 6:27 local time and Tuesday, the depth about 10 kilometers, according to Japan Meteorological Agency. Authorities continue to rescue and relief operation in southwestern prefecture as they assess the extent of the damage caused by Tuesday's earthquake. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Capacity building training for teachers at Warsaikalo School. Monetary support extended to families of martyrs in Nafa subzone. China and Thailand to hold Falcon Strike 2026 joint force exercise in August. And Japan earthquake, death toll rises. And that was the news from ERi-TV Studios. This has been Dilit Sahara reporting. Thanks for watching and have a good night.